Should I invest in gold? When somebody asks me, should I invest in gold, my immediate question is, why? Why are you investing in gold? If you're investing in gold as part of a diversified portfolio, clearly the best way to do that is via mutual funds, as we've discussed. Gold has a history of episodic performance. If you look at the long term, gold, which has done really well in the last half decade or decade, has had multiple decades where it just laid there. Basically, gold keeps up with inflation. Basically, gold in the last decade has been a proxy for a global currency as third world country investors try to get their money in a currency that can keep up with the economies of the world. But essentially, long term, gold has not been the best investment. From my perspective as an individual investor, and from my perspective as an investment manager, gold is exhibiting a lot of signs of being in a long-term bubble. We're seeing an elevated price. We're seeing people making exaggerated claims about what it might or might not do. But basically, gold is priced on a tremendous amount of uncertainty that's out there in the global economy. Is that uncertainty going to continue? We can't tell. We can't predict the future. So what I am advocating is that any gold purchases should be very diversified within mutual funds, not in gold-only mutual funds, because you want the investment manager to have an escape hatch just in case this bubble bursts. Certainly, you want to keep gold at a minimal investment right now because the price historically is quite high. It may go higher from here. We don't know. But the indicators that it's in a bubble right now are there. I hear from people that want to invest in gold coins and keep them safe in a safety deposit box or a safe in case society collapses. Having been through a couple of earthquakes and a couple of social upheavals, my take is that you can't eat gold. My take is that long-term social upheaval will boost the price of gold temporarily, but you can't eat it. So if you're really concerned about a societal meltdown, consider hoarding some food, consider hoarding stainless steel pistols, consider something other than a gold coin. Now, if you like to look at gold coins and you like to collect gold coins, go for it because they do preserve their value over time relatively well. But in terms of preparing for a zombie apocalypse, I can't recommend gold at all. Okay, to summarize, should I invest in gold? And my answer is grudgingly. Do it through diversified mutual funds with a history of picking gold as an investment. Do it keeping in mind that we might be in a gold bubble right now. If you want to collect gold coins, do that grudgingly as well and without the expectation that they can save your entire net worth if the world collapses. So the answer is, as always from me, diversified, careful, and a small amount. Okay? Thank you very much.